Okay guys, now I want to quickly replace the idler pulleys. This is the idler pulley right here, making noise. This one's also making a noise. It's right there for the tensioner. So first you want to actually, while the belt is on, you want to loosen this. So I did that. Go ahead and undo it. Change that. This still original to the car. What a fail. This one is Ina, made in Slovakia, really good brand. This one's Carl, also pretty good brand. I'm gonna install those. Okay guys, now I want to install these transmission cooling lines right here, because I'm pretty sure they've never been done on this car, and one of them is leaking, so I want to replace those. And I'll just run you really quick how to do this. It's actually not too hard, but you have to be careful and you have to know what you're doing. So when you're loosening these cooling lines, you need to have two wrenches. In this case, one is 17, another one is 19 millimeter. So this hard line right here, you're gonna hold it with a 17 millimeter wrench, stationary, and this 19 millimeter wrench you're gonna use to loosen this cooling line. Okay, you absolutely must counter hold this hard line, otherwise you're running a risk of snapping this solid line, literally, like just twisting it off. It's gonna get that big. And I already loosened this line, so I don't need to worry about it. I loosened it, but then I tightened it back up. So, but it's already, the torque is broken on this. And I did the same with this side right here. Take a look. This is basically, this one is, I tightened it back up, but yeah. So this side you have to do the same thing. You have to use a wrench on one side, and you have to use both hands. Loosen the other side while counter holding it. Now, take a look, this nut is loosened. I'm going to go ahead and replace the drain pan underneath. Take a look at that. Transmission oil, I mean, it was replaced, I think, at some point before, but it needs another change, I think. Transmission could use another fluid change. So this trans cooling line is a little bit too long, a little bit longer than the original one, but it's gonna be okay. I made it work. It's gonna be just fine. It's not rubbing against that hose, the AC hose, so everything is okay. And yeah, when tightening these, make sure you use both wrenches. Absolutely must. I'm gonna let this drain for a while now. Alright guys, now I'm dealing with these intake boots. They are okay on the outside, but on the inside you can see the cracking everywhere there. That's not good. So as of right now, we weren't able to find anything like really quick as far as the original parts. So, but we got these ones right here. There's one of the suppliers who had this thing, so we're gonna use that. I just need to cut it a little bit more because, as you can see, it needs to be shortened a little, and then it's gonna go right over that thing. Guys, we are continuing on with this project. We have a lot more parts today that came in. The owner actually brought parts for me, so I'm going to show you what he brought, and we're going to continue working on this amazing machine. Now, obviously, we're not forgetting some good cold water, Arwa, you know, in this crazy hot weather, you know, 49 degrees Celsius, or I think, I'm not really good at this, but I think it's about 115 or 110 Fahrenheit, maybe less than that. We got a lot of stuff. Got transmission fluid because I'm gonna have to do that. We have some parts right here, the cluster parts, more coolant, and we have more goodies right here. The owner brought some headlight lenses. Hopefully they fit this car, and more things in this bag right now. These should be the knock sensors. Very nice, original. I just noticed this right now, but somebody actually like put glue in on this fitting before. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm gonna change the gaskets now, and we're getting ready to install the manifold back. Now I understand why they didn't want to install this last bolt, why it was missing, because it's not easy to install it and remove it. So they decided they just want to leave it alone. What a shame. These are done. They were such a pain because we got these at a local plumbing store. The owner got these. They're not original, but they fit. It was a bit of a pain, but I was able to make it work. Yeah, it was just a little bit of a pain to install them because they're just slightly too small, slightly. But other than that, they look pretty good. Intake manifolds back in. I'm gonna install the harness here shortly, and yeah, it's coming along. Okay, I reconnected the fuel hoses with this. Everything is reconnected for testing purposes. We're about to start this car, see how she's doing. Everything else is reconnected except this connector. Initially, this one, I'll have to figure out where it goes, but this one was laying down there initially, and it was disconnected. So we'll see, maybe we'll figure out where that goes. Yeah, everything else is good, connected. So yeah, we shall see. Silly me, I guess I'm too tired today. Mix these up, okay? One has to go, basically I connected them the wrong way. So this actually happened to me before, back in 2019, when I was reviving a BMW E36 with my friend, and we were trying to see like what the hell is going on, why is it not starting? And that was after like the big job, like head gasket job and all that. Let's try again.